You seem to follow confusing English methods.
I follow them because I think they help me learn fast.
You mix many styles in your speaking.
I mix them because I copy everything I hear.
You use strange sentences in daily talk.
I use them because I don't know natural expressions.
Your grammar looks different from standard English.
My grammar looks different because I learned it from random sources.
You sound like you translate each idea directly.
I translate directly because I find it easy.
Your pronunciation feels unclear sometimes.
It feels unclear because I practice without guidance.
You choose difficult phrases for simple ideas.
I choose them because I think they sound smart.
You often use words with wrong meanings.
I use them wrongly because I memorize without examples.
Your sentences look too long for simple points.
They look long because I copy book-style writing.
You mix British and American English.
I mix them because I watch many types of videos.
You repeat the same grammar mistakes.
I repeat them because I never revise basics.
You sound unsure when forming sentences.
I feel unsure because I overthink each rule.
You struggle to pick the right tense.
I struggle because I skipped basic lessons.
Your speaking lacks natural flow.
It lacks flow because I don't practice with real people.
You use outdated expressions.
I use them because my books are old.
You depend too much on translation apps.
I depend on them because I fear mistakes.
Your vocabulary sounds mismatched with topics.
It sounds mismatched because I learn random words.
You sound robotic when speaking.
I sound robotic because I memorize full lines.
You choose complex grammar in simple talks.
I choose it because I think it shows skill.
You skip simple sentences.
I skip them because I think they are childish.
You rarely practice listening.
I rarely practice it because it feels difficult.
Your reading method looks slow.
It looks slow because I translate every sentence.
You use phrases in the wrong places.
I use them wrongly because I learn without context.
You avoid speaking with others.
I avoid it because I feel shy.
Your errors show weak basics.
My basics are weak because I rush through lessons.
You misunderstand many expressions.
I misunderstand them because I don't check examples.
You mix local patterns with English.
I mix them because they feel natural to me.
You forget rules quickly.
I forget them because I revise rarely.
You skip practice sessions often.
I skip them because I feel tired after work.
You choose too many learning apps.
I choose many apps because I think more is better.
You speak slowly during conversations.
I speak slowly because I try to remember rules.
You use formal English in casual talks.
I use it because I don't know casual expressions.
You sound confused during long sentences.
I sound confused because I don't break ideas properly.
You mix incorrect word order.
I mix it because I think in my native language first.
You struggle with articles.
I struggle because I don't practice them enough.
You learn advanced topics too early.
I learn them early because I want to level up fast.
You use strange tone when speaking.
My tone sounds strange because I copy movie dialogues.
You lack confidence in your speaking.
I lack confidence because people laugh at my mistakes.
You use words without correct pronunciation.
I mispronounce them because I don't listen carefully.
You forget new words quickly.
I forget them because I don't use them in sentences.
You focus too much on grammar charts.
I focus on them because they look easy to read.
You avoid practicing with native speakers.
I avoid it because I feel nervous.
You learn phrases without checking tone.
I learn them blindly because I ignore context.
You memorize rules but don't apply them.
I don't apply them because I'm afraid of errors.
You review lessons irregularly.
I review irregularly because my schedule is messy.
You face difficulty in everyday conversations.
I face difficulty because I don't practice daily talk.
You use too many fillers in speech.
I use them because I feel lost during sentences.
You rely on long pauses.
I pause often because I'm unsure of the next word.
You choose hard topics for practice.
I choose them because I think easy topics waste time.
You speak with too much hesitation.
I hesitate because I worry about mistakes.
You forget old lessons quickly.
I forget them because I learn too fast.
You skip pronunciation drills.
I skip them because I find them boring.
You misunderstand native speakers often.
I misunderstand them because they speak fast.
You read too many advanced books.
I read them because they look impressive.
You use words in the wrong forms.
I use wrong forms because I ignore grammar practice.
You sometimes create confusing statements.
I create them because I translate directly.
You choose incorrect prepositions.
I choose them wrongly because I memorize without logic.
You speak too quietly during practice.
I speak quietly because I lack confidence.
You learn without a proper routine.
I learn randomly because I can't organize my time.
You use expressions from old movies.
I use them because they sound dramatic.
You try difficult accents.
I try them because I want to sound fluent.
You forget spelling rules often.
I forget them because I type too fast.
You choose confusing examples.
I choose them because simple ones look boring.
You make mistakes in simple sentences.
I make them because I overthink.
You avoid reading aloud.
I avoid it because I feel embarrassed.
You learn too many idioms at once.
I learn them because they look interesting.
You focus on speed instead of clarity.
I focus on speed because I want to sound fluent.
You ignore basic grammar exercises.
I ignore them because they feel repetitive.
You don't correct your old mistakes.
I don't correct them because I don't track them.
You practice irregularly.
I practice irregularly because I get distracted.
You often mix words with similar sounds.
I mix them because I don't practice listening enough.
You learn English without real conversation.
I learn it alone because I don't have partners.
You forget new grammar quickly.
I forget it because I don't use it right away.
You use confusing sentence patterns.
I use them because I copy from difficult books.
You depend too much on subtitles.
I depend on them because I can't follow fast speech.
You try to learn everything at once.
I try it because I want quick improvement.
You create unnatural phrases.
I create them because I don't listen to natural speech.